Hey guys, welcome back. I've got my AC200P Bluetti power station, and I've recently bought the solar panels to go with it. And this is what I want to show you guys today. I want to show you how to hook it up, and I'm going to give you a few specs on the solar panels themselves. The max peak power is 420 watts, and it'll take you about over 7 hours to fully charge. It took me approximately 45 minutes to charge 10% of my AC200P. And sorry about the shadows here, I'm standing in the sun because you have to absolutely make sure you have this completely in the sun to charge your unit. And this one here has 4 panels, and you have 3 little kind of stands to hold it, and you can put it at different angles. So for example, if I undo the latch here and clip it higher at 35 degrees, then it's going to lean back even a bit more. So basically you want to set this where your panels will get the most sunlight. And it's the afternoon right now here, so at 55 degrees I am getting a lot of sun. Now when you pop this pouch open, this cable here will come out of there, and this is the cable that you will connect to the cable that you got with your AC200P power station. And I'll show you how to hook this up here shortly. But in here it gives you the specs on the unit, on the solar panels, and I'm going to put the link in the video description so you can read all the technical details about these solar panels. So I've been using them for a while here. I've already used them a couple times to charge it up, and it's great because the only initial cost you have is buying the solar panels. And basically, even if it takes a while to charge it up, it is free power basically. So it's not such a big deal if you have to wait. This is awesome for camping, guys. It's totally quiet. It's not like running a generator. And if you bring your solar panels, you will have unlimited power. So I often tell my customers here, don't buy a gas generator if you don't have to. If you can get away with this power station and the solar panels, that's the way to go. Okay, so when you got your AC200P, you should have got these plugs here, these cables. So these are 2 separate cables. You have the female plug and the male plug, and it goes to this connector here. And what I'm going to do now is plug these together. They only go in one way. You have your positive and negative wires coming to those plugs. And what you want to do now is connect the black wire here with the plug onto the black cable here from the solar panel. And it's quite easy. You just pop them in. You'll hear a small click. And do the same with the positive one, the positive wire here. And now what you want to do is grab this retractable plug here, and what you want to do is find a little red dot right here. And on the left hand side bottom of your AC200P, what you want to do is line up the small red dot to the red dot on top, and then just plug it in until you hear it click. You have to hear it click to make sure it's connected right. And once you plug it in there, the unit will turn on itself and it will show you that it's charging. So I'm going to plug it in right now. Now if it doesn't come on by itself, just turn the power button on. It's going to initialize here. And the way that you actually know the solar panels are charging the system is by looking at the display here, and you can see here that it is charging the unit. So if you've plugged these solar panels in and you're getting an error message and the unit is not charging, make sure to go to settings and make sure that the DC input source is PV right here. If it's not here, what's going to happen is it will not charge. So that's very important. Usually it will detect that by itself when you plug in the solar panels, and it will do it automatically, but sometimes it may not. And as you can see here now, it's charging at over 300 watts. So that's what's coming into the power station here to charge it. It's at 95% now. It's probably going to take another 25 minutes to charge this somewhere around that vicinity depending on the sunlight conditions. It's a great unit, guys. I use it all the time here. We do get power outages and it's quiet, and sometimes you can just use this instead of starting up your gas generator and going through all the hassles of getting the plugs in the house to plug all your appliances. This is right in the house. It's quiet. There's no bad smells from fumes or anything like that. And if your power is out for a significant amount of time, guys, that's why you get the solar panels, because that will get you out of a bind that way. They're pretty big, actually. They're about a couple feet by 3 feet, I would imagine. So it's a big surface area to grab that sunlight and basically charge your unit for free. And it's really easy to plug, as you can see. Check to make sure you have all these plugs here I showed you. It's quite easy to just plug it in the machine, and when you're done charging, all you have to do is reach back, grab the plug, and you gotta pull back and pull it out, and it'll stop charging. And when you're done, all you have to do is turn it off and then just bring it back in the house, or if you're camping, just start using it again. And I believe that you can use the unit, use the plugs here while it is charging. Super great power station for camping, guys. I just can't emphasize that. I don't camp myself, but I do know people who camp and who have this unit. Again, thanks for watching. I hope my video has helped you on how to plug this in your AC200P unit. And if you like the video, just like it and share it with your friends. Have a great day.